Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Dyson Air Purifier. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the My Dyson app when you have your device paired. Then move to your machine settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and you should be able to find Remove Machine. Click on Remove and then proceed with the instructions. So this will permanently remove your machine from My Dyson app for you and all other connected users. To clear your machine settings and data, first tap Remove above, next hold down the power buttons on both your remote and on your machine for 10 seconds. And you will need your remote and also the machine. There's a power key right above the screen. So follow the instructions and hold those two buttons and then click on Remove and your device should perform factory reset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.